Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sadie, your Kava tender, and today we're making a holiday twist on the wellness world using botanical teas, and I'm going to show you how. Whether you're a fan of Kava for that calm feeling, or botanical tea for that uplifting vibe, or Damiana, or Damiana for that nice, relaxing, mildly boosting feeling, we're gonna make our holiday drinks. Let's get to it. So for our menu, we're gonna be doing our Frosted Sky, our Citrus Cream Cooler, and our Winter Wonderland. For these three drinks, you're going to need blue raspberry, vanilla syrup, agave and lemonade, key lime pie syrup, toasted marshmallow syrup, lime syrup, almond creamer, peppermint syrup, brown sugar syrup, chocolate syrup, and almond creamer. And your favorite botanical tea, of course. Am I supposed to remember everything around here? I'm a one-person person. All right. You're gonna need some shakers. For the creamier ones, you're gonna wanna really do it up. So strainer, whipped cream, and a lemon wedge. Not for huffing usage. Sorry. Why did I do that? All right. Action. We're gonna start with the Frosted Sky. We're gonna do 3 pumps of blue raspberry, 1.5 pumps of vanilla, and a half pump of agave. 3 ounces of lemonade. No less and no more. Your favorite botanical tea. I'm gonna go with green for a nice mood boosting effect. A little bit of euphoria, but overall pretty mild, pretty chill. If I had to describe the flavor of green botanical tea by itself, very earthy, like your traditional tea. Some ice, a love glass, and just gonna shake her back and forth, strain it over some fresh ice. It's a perfect pour. Garnish with a lemon. It's just pretty with garnishes, so pretty. A nice light citrus kind of balanced blue raz. It's pretty tasty.
Hey, I'm Izzy. You've probably seen me in a lot of our other videos, but I'm gonna try this Frosted Sky drink now. It's like blue raspberry. Obviously, it's blue. It's like sweet, but like savory at the same time. Like, I don't know. The vanilla like balances out the sweetness, and I can like taste the lemonade a little bit, but I can mostly taste the tea, which is good. I like the tea taste. Not my cup of tea. 5.
Sheesh. My rating would be like a solid 6, 7. Oh. I don't even know where this shit is. What's happening? Oh yeah, they need shots over there. Shots. Wow. Pour it. There are juice particles. Juice particles in the juice.
Beautiful pour, I've
Cheers.
Cheers.
I heard a lot of What are those? So I just poured a Kava shot with a chaser. The Kava extract shots. They are super relaxing. They taste awful, but they're super relaxing. Good for inflammation, making you feel nice, warm, fuzzy, and happy buzz. I'm making that citrus cream cooler, putting key lime pie, toasted marshmallow, lime, and almond creamer. And we're gonna use the Damiana. Yay! Key lime pie. Motherfuck, that was lime. Lime syrup when we have lime juice. 1/4 pump of lime syrup, 4 pumps of key lime, 2 pumps of marshmallow, 3 ounces of almond creamer. Please hold while we wait for our next available representative. Smells very floral. The benefits of Damiana. So it is from Mexico. Stress relieving, mild aphrodisiac, really good for menstruation, great for women all around, mildly energetic. And because this has cream and we just put a tea inside it, I'm gonna shake it. Remember our shake cups? We're using them. You're just gonna shake what your mama gave you. Let's give her a try. So, not Not my favorite, but it is very floral. It is coming through quite a bit. I would probably say a solid 4 for me. Maybe with a different tea, but solid 4 for me. Let's give it to somebody else to try. Let's have one of them try it.
It's a key lime pie drink. So I'm Jess, and I'm gonna try this very special drink that Sadie just handed to me out of nowhere. You have to taste it 3 times. It's very tasty. Tastes creamy, citrusy in this sour way. I do like it. I like it a lot. I think it tastes like a dessert.
Oh, perfect. Ooh, I like that. Oh my god, it reminds me of a what are those chai teas? Like the what are they called? Not chai, but like the Indian. No, it's more obvious. Oh man. Nope, none of those. Nope. It's we have them in America at a bunch of different places. It's not a chai tea, but it's a nope, not matcha. Nope. It's none of that. You can cut the video and come back to me when I find it.
Seems like people are getting sick recently. So I'm gonna sip from here. How does she not like that? That's really fucking good. It tastes exactly what I thought it was gonna taste like. Key lime. 1 out of 10? Ooh, like a 9.5. No, I'd give it like a 9.8. That's good. I feel like I would recommend this to someone that's never had like Kava before. I feel like this would go really well with Kava.
Oh gosh, hi. That is very good. I would rate it. I'd rate it probably like a 7 or 8. Really good, really good. It's like key lime pie, but like a little bit sweeter, kind of like a hint of vanilla.
I'm definitely getting hints of key for sure, and then yeah, there's the lime on the back end too. Really hits the back of the throat there. I mean, I might say it's a key lime drink. I don't know. It's just my best guess. 1 out of 10. 7.8.
It tastes like a jasmine Thai iced tea. That's what it tastes exactly like. Yummy.
I like that it's foamy and the foam hasn't gone away.
In the back of the can.
Have you tried horse semen before?
The foam adds to the tropical beachiness. How the ocean, when it crashes, there's foam that rolls in. I like that amount of foam in it.
We're gonna do a foam test. Oh yeah, that's. You see that? Hella foam. Gets me so wet. Lots of foam. It passes the foam test.
No foaming around here, bud. Let me.
That was really fun.
It's on you, but I'm in this, okay? I'd recommend this drink to anyone that just wants to have fun with their friends.
For our next trick, we will be making the Winter Wonderland. This drink is greatly paired with Kava because it's creamy and Kava goes really well with creamy. And Winter Wonderland, you kind of want to be chill anyway. Had to make sure I knew what I was doing. You know what I'm saying? All right, so you're gonna need 3 pumps of peppermint. You're gonna need 2 pumps of brown sugar and 1 pump of chocolate. 1 chocolate, 2 brown sugar, 3 peppermint, 3 ounces of almond creamer. Put your favorite tea in there. We're going with Kava, and it is from the Pacific Islands. Really good for stress relief, inflammation. It's very earthy on its own. I mean, look at it. Like, I've heard people call this mud water before, so it makes me feel chill. Absolute chill. That's what I feel. And super chatty. It relaxes your nervous system. All around a good feeling. Don't have one of those. Kava Love glass, fresh ice. I'm gonna strain this. Ooh, and some whipped cream. Oh, yay! Whoops, got excited. Let's give it a try, shall we? Well, one thing's for sure, the whipped cream tastes amazing. Ooh, yeah. Peppermint comes through. I mean, there's quite a few pumps in there. I like the ending of chocolate. That's really nice. And then you still have like the little bit of the bitiness of the kava because it's part of the pepper family. So it's gonna have like that tingly effect in your mouth. That's good. It's a little sweet with the brown sugar syrup as well. I'd give this a solid 8, maybe even a 9.
I like this one. It's good. 8 out of 10. It tastes like peppermint and chocolatey. It's like peppermint mocha, but with kava. So it's extra good.
There you have it, folks. It's a solid 8. There are your unique holiday special alcohol-free beverages. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We post new videos Mondays and Thursdays. Come to Kava Love. I'm Sadie, and thanks for watching. Later, dudes.